This is an overview of new notes for the iPad. To create a new note, tap on the new note icon. To select a pen, color, select a pen from the pen set. We have several colors initially, such as black and red. We also have yellow. Many times people want to use yellow for a highlighter, so we can come over here and we can change the attributes of yellow. We can set the transparency, and we can also make it a wider stroke, since highlighting usually we want it much thicker than that original pen stroke. So now we have a nice highlighter. We also have an eraser, so we can erase. It's a little thin for this one, so we can also change the attributes of the eraser. We can make it quite large so that we can erase large chunks at a time. If you make a mistake, we have unlimited undo and redo. You can also erase the current page. You can add pictures to a note. We'll add our dog to this particular note. When you add an image to the note, you initially see this cursor, which allows you to move the image around. It allows you to scale it by tapping on one of the outside arrows. The inside angled arrow allows you to rotate it. The upper right section allows you to rotate it in 15 degree increments. So let's just put Leela over here. You can also add maps. Leela happens to live in the Seattle area, so we'll just add a map of Seattle. Again, you can rotate, scale, and move. So now let's pinch zoom down so we can have a nice area to write Leela's name. And pinch zoom back out. And we can now show that Leela lives in Seattle. We can also share our notes and notebooks. The current notebook page can be emailed via PNG format, JPEG, or PDF. The entire notebook can be mailed as a PDF, and the current page can also be sent to TwitPic. A notebook can have multiple pages in it. Initially it only has one. As you navigate further down, it just keeps adding the pages automatically. So this is page 4. We can use this Pages Preview button and scroller to look through all of our pages. We can also jump to a particular page. And we can also navigate to the pages with page navigation buttons. So this is page 2. Pages can have a variety of backgrounds. They can be plain paper, lined, or they can be grid. And the zooming allows you to zoom in quite a ways, so you can actually put in some really nice details. Or as you're writing and you're running out of room for your notes, you can add, reminders or additions to the note. We also initially start out the note with only the center section, so that as you draw your note, which sometimes are mind maps, you can just keep going on further off to the edges. Notebooks can also have a title, so we tap down here to set the title. This one is about Leela. Actually, let's name this one the tutorial or demo. And it contains Leela, our dog. And I already have dog in Seattle, so let's select those tags as well. And let's exit out. Let's go back to now it shows you the title and the tags. Let's go back to the home page. I've made a few extra notes. And what you can do down here is you can select the tags that are of interest, so that if you have lots of notes, you can narrow it down. So for example, I only want to see the notebooks with Leela in them. That one has Leela in it. Also, I want to see all the notebooks that have Seattle in them. I happen to have this other one that has Space Needle, again with some maps drawn on there. You can also select multiple tags, so you select multi-tags over here on the right, and now I can do Seattle, let's do dog and tutorial. Or you can go back and select all again. To delete a notebook, tap on the Action button, select the notebook, and then press Delete. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.